On a rainy day. Raindrops softly tapping on the old rooftop. The city's drowning somewhere under umbrellas. Tea grows cold beside the foggy window panes, and I keep searching for some peace in